This morning, Command Sergeant Major Haney joins us from the Kansas Army National Guard Recruiting and Retention Battalion. He enlisted into the United States Army in 1994 and served at the 25th Infantry Division's 7th Battalion, 8th Field Artillery in Schofield Barracks, Hawaii. After 3 years of active duty service, he joined the Kansas Army National Guard with the Detachment 1 Headquarters and Headquarters Battery, 1st of the 161st Field Artillery. While serving in the 1st of the 161st, he served as a Section Chief and Platoon Sergeant. He then deployed in support of Operation Enduring Freedom from 2003 to 2005 at McConnell Air Force Base. In January of 2005, he accepted an AGR position with the state of Kansas as a recruiting and retention non-commissioned officer. On April 2010, he was selected for promotion to Master Sergeant within the Recruiting and Retention Battalion and served as the Area 6 NCOIC. He then received a lateral promotion to First Sergeant of Bravo Company Recruiting and Retention Battalion and served as that company's first sergeant from April of 2010 to October of 2013. In November of 2014, he was promoted to Sergeant Major and assumed the position of Operations Sergeant Major within the Recruiting and Retention Battalion. In September of 2016, he received a lateral appointment to the Command Sergeant Major position of the Recruiting and Retention Battalion for the state of Kansas and continues to serve in this position today. At this time, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Command Sergeant Major Richard J. Haney of the Kansas Army National Guard Recruiting and Retention Battalion.
Good morning. Hey, thanks a lot. Hey, I appreciate the honor of being able to and asked to come up here and speak in front of an amazing group of people. You are an amazing group of people, and I hope that you truly understand that. When you get your badges today, I hope you wear them proudly because you are exceptional. And by wearing that badge, that just proves that you stepped up and answered a call to do something that is truly challenging. And before I go into that, let me first, all the family, distinguished guests, all the family here, hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much for what you do in supporting your soldier, supporting us and what we do. Okay, let's talk about challenge. I've been doing this, you guys heard my bio. I was looking it over before I came here and I was like, well, I need to throw some more stuff in there because it's all about first impressions, right? So half of it is not true, I'm just gonna be honest. But it's all about first impressions, so I had to make some stuff up. So, challenge. I've been doing this for 18 years almost. I've never seen a challenge like the challenge you're about to face. The recruiting environment that we're in is extremely challenging. A lot of people look at challenge in different ways. To me, and I hope you guys can all pick this up, it's opportunity. Challenge is opportunity. You have an opportunity in this very, very difficult environment to prove yourself, to complete a mission that is incredibly hard. Some people may say it's almost impossible. We don't believe that. As NCOs, that's what we do. Y'all NCOs. We complete the mission. There is never a doubt about that. As NCOs, you accept that mission. The more challenging, the better. You find a way through it, around it, over it. You complete the mission. Okay? I'll tell you a story that I went through in my life, one of the most challenging times of my life. I was actually at the time we called it BNOC. It's SLC now. Yeah, I know I'm dating myself. I'm super excited in life. Everything is going so good for me. My career's going good. I'm an M-Day soldier. I'm in my master's program, getting ready to complete my master's program. Just got married, got my first child on the way. I'm so excited about life. And I'm at BNOC and I get that Red Cross call. Right? My wife has gone into premature labor. Over 2 months premature. Okay? Haul butt back to Kansas, spend some time with her. He comes over 2 months early. I'm stressed out. I'm about to go into my last semester of grad school. Just newly married. My son is intensive care, freaking out. Okay, my father-in-law knew it. he sent me this quote, and I'm going to read this quote to you. Nothing in this world can take the place of persistence. Talent will not. Nothing is more common than unsuccessful men with talent. Genius will not. Unrewarding genius is almost a proverb. Education will not. The world is full of uneducated derelicts. Persistence and determination alone are omnipotent. That's what we do. We are persistent NCOs. Okay? In our line of work, we call that the warrior ethos. I'll always place the mission first. I will never accept defeat. I will never quit. I will never leave a fallen comrade. That warrior ethos, you are going to be tested in this job. And we're going to find out how good you are, not when things are going well, when things are not going well. And it's going to happen. How will you overcome those times? That's when we're going to find out how good you are. I believe in you. Your state believes in you. Go rock it, mission makers.
Thank you, Sergeant Major Haney, for those words of encouragement to our students.